welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression because it contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz in PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have answer A is -3, B is -9, C is -12 and D is -36. Let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. So please support my channel and share with others so they can like this and subscribe my channel. So now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. As you can see, here we will discuss rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any bracket or any parenthesis, any exponent or order of expression, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward, solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So you will say like this one is the bracket, but this contains only one term and with minus sign. So that's why we wrote it in the -3. We wrote it in the bracket. So we cannot say like this is the bracket which we will solve here. Step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent part. So we do not have any exponent part in our expression. So now we will skip this step as well. Now we have division and multiplication. What we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So which operation is coming, we will solve that one first. 3 plus 16 divided by 2 means 8 multiplied by 34 divided by 16 and multiply by -3, we will write as it is. Now, forward again, we have to go left to right and find out multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication. We will solve this one, 8 multiplied by 4. So 8 multiplied by 34, we will multiply both of them. 8 multiplied by 34. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer 272. Now divided by 16. Again we will write as it is and multiply by this -3. We will write as it is. And here we will give the reference. Oh, we forgot to give the reference here. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. And here we have 8 multiplied by 34 equals to 70. Now, move forward again. We have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So here we have 15 plus, and this one 272 divided by 16. So we get the answer is 17 here. And multiply by -3, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference to 72 divided by 16. We will get the answer is 17. Now we have again to go left to right because one terms we have the multiplication. This one 17 multiplied by -3. So what we will multiply both of them 15 and plus minus sign we will write as it is and multiply by 3. So 51, we will get the answer is 51 here and multiply by 17 multiply by minus 3 equals to 51. Now we have here two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is minus 36. Why minus? Because we have the minus sign with this larger number which is 51. So that's why we will write the minus. So the answer of the given expression is minus 36. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression in farm dance and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.